Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both receptor and ligand files so docking runs smoothly. First, load the receptor into Pyrx, strip waters, add hydrogens, and convert to PDBQT format. This ensures proper atom types and charges for auto-dock VINA. Next, import ligands, run a quick geometry optimization with open Babel tools inside Pyrx, and export each as PDBQT. Once done, group ligands in the ligand library and verify rotatable bonds. This sets the stage for accurate docking. Now you define the search space and algorithm settings. Open the docking panel, specify the grid center coordinates around the binding pocket, and set box dimensions in angstroms to fully cover the site. This controls what VINA explores. Then adjust exhaustiveness and thread count so runs finish in a reasonable time while sampling adequately. Start batch docking for your ligand set, watch the progress window, and export output and log files for each ligand so you can analyze poses and scores later. Finish by reviewing and validating the docking results. Load best scoring poses into the viewer, inspect hydrogen bonds, steric clashes, and whether the ligand orientation matches known interactions. This explains why a score is high or low. Then prioritize compounds, and if needed, perform focused redocking with flexible residues or higher exhaustiveness for top hits. If something goes wrong, check that PDBQT files have correct atom types and charges. Confirm the grid fully covers the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.